In this lesson, we're going to talk about plugins. Plugins are feature enhancements that you can install on your WordPress website. It's just like an app. Right? There are over 50,000 different plugins, everything from social plugins that allow your visitors to share your post, to e-commerce plugins that allow you to sell your own products, physical products, right, directly from your website. Basically, anything you want to do with your website, there is a plugin for it. However, you don't need it, don't install it. Too many plugins will make your website very slow because it has to load every plugin you install. And site speed kills, slow site speed will kill the conversion rate. The second plugin is the all-in-one SEO pack. This plugin helps optimize your website for SEO. It's very useful for you to set up everything needed for SEO. It's free, although you can upgrade to the pro version for more functions. We'll talk about this more in the later lessons. The third plugin is the classic editor. Ready to build a website on Wealthy Affiliate? Again, this plugin is activated for you by default. It enables you to use the WordPress classic editor instead of the new Gutenberg editor. I personally like to stick with the classic editor as it's much cleaner and easier to manage and edit your website content. Another plugin is 𝐓𝐻𝐿. This plugin helps to filter out some spam comments from your website every day. You don't need to have a lot of you don't want to have a lot of spam comments with questionable backlinks because that can slow your sites down and have negative impact on the user experience of your visitors. And you create a website on Wealthy Affiliates, you don't need this plugin, right? Because Wealthy Affiliate already have the site protect that will filter out and block all the spam comments. The WordPress review by my theme shop. This plugin is useful for writing product reviews, right? Basically, I think this plugin is a must-have for your website so that you can write high-converting product review content. You can choose different types of review systems such as stars, percentage, and point ratings. I'll show you how to use this plugin in the training later on. The WP Rocket. This plugin can speed up your website by reducing the loading time. But if you host a website at Wealthy Affiliate, you may not need this plugin because Wealthy Affiliate already have the site speed installed, so that it basically do pretty much the same thing like the WP Rocket. Then another plugin is the Shareaholic. This plugin is social sharing plugin that allows people to share your content on social media easily, and you can help you to increase your social exposure and improve your Google ranking. Finally, this redirection by 𝐓𝐿𝐻𝐿 plugin. You need this plugin to easily manage the 301 redirections, keep track of the 404 errors, and generally just tidy up any loose ends your site may have, and it can help to reduce the errors and improve your site ranking. There are a lot of other plugins that you can install, but I think these are the essential ones for you to get started. See you in the next lesson.